Hi, this is a tips and tricks video, and in this video we are going to learn how to use this find window or replace window in VBA and use pattern match and how this can help. Okay, so let's suppose I want to find out that where I do have this kind of looping structure so that I can add this condition that if only this named range is feasible, then do something. Okay, so how can we do this? That okay, I can find every loop where I'm looping through the name ranges. So what I can do, I can say okay, find, and then check on this, use pattern matching, and say for each asterisk, so it will represent any number of characters, and then you can just say okay, names. And now if I just try to find that, you can see I get this one for each current name in current seed dot names. So I'm not specifying this current name, I'm not specifying this in or current seed dot. I'm just specifying find me which will start with for each ends with names. Go again, same here, for each current named range in given range dot parent dot parent dot names. And you can see this is super helpful, that for each current name range parent parent dot names in the same way like this, and that's it. Now let's say if I want to find out okay where I am just looping through worksheet, so I can say okay, worksheets, find me all the places where I'm looping through worksheet. So that is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's suppose I want to change this, find out where I'm using this given workbook in a looping structure. So I could just say okay, instead of worksheet, just give me workbook. And then you can see that for each current set in given workbook and so on, right? Like this, for each current workbook, you can specify if you want only the given workbook, then you can just say okay, given workbook. So it will only give me the given workbook instances like this. So you can see this is really helpful to find out all the places. Or in the same way, I can give you one more example, that is where I am using this given record set dot fields dot count. So maybe I want to find out that where I have the loop which will be like this, fields dot count. I think the dot has different meaning, so let's see. You can see, right, like this. Yeah, or I could just say okay, where do I have this fields dot count, like this. So I could just say okay, I want to see only those places where I have this condition that this will be in a if condition. So if record set dot fields dot count, if record set dot fields dot count, record set dot fields dot count, and so on. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. Have a good day.